Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating a Firebase project and enabling Google Sign-In. This gives you the backend. Next, add your app in the console and download the config file. You need that locally. For Android, generate the SHA-1 fingerprint so Google OAuth matches your app. For iOS, ensure the reversed client ID is set. Once done, install the Firebase SDK packages in your project and import auth modules. This connects your code to Firebase quickly and securely. You now implement the sign-in flow in code. Create a Google Auth provider and add scopes only when necessary, since fewer scopes means simpler consent. On web, choose sign-in with pop-up for quick flows or sign-in with redirect for mobile browsers. On native, use the platform's Google Sign-In to obtain an ID token, then pass it to Firebase with sign-in with credential. Make sure to handle promises or async/await for success and errors, and store minimal user state in your app once authenticated. Finish by verifying the OAuth consent screen and authorized domains. This prevents domain rejection. Once a user signs in, inspect the ID token and Firebase UID so your backend can trust requests. Implement token refresh and sign out flows to keep sessions clean. If something goes wrong, make sure your SHA-1 fingerprints, package names, and redirect URIs exactly match what's in the Firebase and Google Cloud consoles. Mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.